And then we have multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array is like this array. We can just pass instead of name another array. It means if we have many nested array, we can call to this array multi-dimensional array. Let's create a multi-dimensional array. Actually, this will be an array, and I want to give you another name by the name of students, and let me remove this. And this array will be associative array. I mean student 1, this is the first student, and bracket sign, I mean equal sign, and then pass here another array. I mean just write square brackets. In this square brackets we can write the name. The student name will be Karim, and we will have age, and age will be 17, and we will have, for example, phone, and let me change this to uppercase, and the phone value will be like, for example, this. I mean this is the phone number, and then put here comma. This is the first index which we have this data, and let's put here another enter button for readability the code, and enter. Yeah, this is the first student. Maybe we will have another student, student 2, and pass another array. Inside this array we will have name. The name will be John, and we will have age. The age will be 15, and we will have phone, and the phone will be like, for example, this. Imagine this is a phone, and you can pass many array as well. So now I want to print the phone number from first student. Pause the video and complete this assignment on your computer. Done? Let's do this together. var underscore dom. Inside var underscore dom we will have student array, $sign students, and then I wanna get the first student. Pass here square brackets, and write here student first. Now in this structure we will have entire array of the first student. Save the changes and refresh the page. Yeah, we have entire record. Name is Karim, then age is 17, and then phone is this. But I want to get just this phone number. How we can do this? Now it's super easy. Then we have another square brackets and pass here phone as a string. Save the changes and refresh the page. Yeah, we have this phone number. Or maybe you can change this to, for example, 2. Save the changes and refresh the page. We have 02000 phone number. I will give you an assignment. The assignment will be put student's address which has country, province, and state. And this should be nested array. Pause the video and complete this assignment. Done? Let's do this. Put here a comma after phone number, and then write here address, because this is a student address, and then pass here another array. In this array we will have country. The country will be USA, and then we will have province. The province will be GFT. You can write any name right here. And we will have state. State is equal to GFT2. This is the address. Let me copy this to the second student and put here comma and paste right here. Now I want to get the just a country. How we can do this? We can do this with the address and put here again square bracket. Why? Because we have another array inside address, and pass here country. Save the changes and refresh the page. We will have UST. Why it's null? Yeah, I have a spelling mistake. Here we should have double S, save the changes and refresh the page. We have USA. This is the multi-dimensional array in PHP that we can use for many purposes, for many data like JSON data or something more.